Come spend a week with me shadowing the team at Kailash Productions. Based in the heart of Cardiff, Kailash specialise in documentaries and recently won the BAFTA Cymru Award for Single Documentary for Helmand Tour of Duty. Throughout the week, I got involved with supporting them on the latest project. As an aspiring documentary editor myself, this was such a valuable experience. I learned the intricacies of unscripted storytelling and how the series producer and the editor work together. I also spent a day with Rosalie at Gellert, who are working with Kailash on this project. I was able to experience a typical editing assistant's day, and Rosalie offered great advice about getting into the film and TV industry. Overall, this was such a fun and positive experience, helping me both personally and professionally. I'm grateful for the teams at Kailash, Gellert and Sgil Cymru for this opportunity. I'd highly recommend getting in touch with Sgil Cymru if you want some hands-on experience in the film and TV industry.